Good morning, students. Today I am explaining the electronic spectra of the complexes or coordination complexes. Here, to demonstrate how to interpret the origin of electronic spectra of coordination compounds and correlate to these spectra with bonding. Here, the quantum numbers are set of 4 values that define the energy state of an electron in an atom, where electron would be an atom. Here, the scientist Heisenberg states that the position and momentum of a particle cannot be simultaneously measured with arbitrarily high precision, but the probability of something being there. The energy level of atoms are not orbits of electrons, they are of high probability of finding the electron. Here the two images are indicates. The area of high probability of the finding electron exists but no distinct orbit. First one is principal quantum number. Here the principal quantum number explains the possible values 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The principal quantum number related to the size and energy of the orbitals, where n, it indicates n. The n is the cell containing the outermost electron of that atom. For example, in CS, the outermost valence electrons is in the cell with energy level 6. So an electron in cesium can have the value 1 to 6. Azimuthal quantum number. Here the possible values are 0 to n minus 1. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. Related to shape of orbitals. Here L is equal to 0, it indicates S. The value of L is equal to 1, it indicates P. The value of L is equal to 2, it indicates D. The value of L is 3, it indicates F. The values of ranges from 0 to n minus 1. This is because the first p orbitals L is equal to 0 appears in the second electron cell n is equal to 2. The first d orbitals L is equal to 2 appears in the third cell n is equal to 3, and so on. And magnetic quantum number. The possible values are minus L plus 1 or mod minus 1 or minus 1 or minus L2 plus L. Related to orientation of the orbitals, the magnetic quantum number explains the orientation of the orbitals. The S subshell L is equal to 0 contains only one orbital. Therefore, ML of an electron in an S subshell will always be 0. The P subshell L is equal to 1 contains 3 orbitals. So the ML of an electron in a P subshell will be minus 1, 0, plus 1. The D subshell L is equal to 2 contains 5 orbitals, with ML of an electron in a D subshell will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, and it is explained further. Spin quantum number. Here the possible values is only 2, plus half or minus half. It describes the spin of the electron within that orbital. Differentiate between two electrons in an orbital. Example, the quantum numbers used to refer to the outermost valence electron of the carbon atom C, which are located in the 2p atomic orbitals are: if n is equal to 2, second electron cell, L is equal to 1, p orbital subshell, ML is 1, 0, minus 1, and MS is, or spin quantum number is half, parallel spins. Next, the scientist Paulus gives its principle. In a given atom, no two electron may have all four quantum numbers identical. Assigning quantum numbers, if here atom N, L, M, Ms, these are the four quantum numbers. By considering the hydrogen atom, it contains only one electron. Lowest possible N value, lowest possible L value is n minus 1, lowest possible M value is minus 1, 0, plus 1, lowest possible M value is minus half or plus half. Next, by considering the atom helium, N, L, Ml and Ms, these are the four quantum numbers. The possible values are n is 1 1, L is 0 0, M is 0 0, Ms, it means spin quantum or plus half or minus half. This time we can use the same N, L, Ml values as the first electron and still get a different set of values by changing spin quantum number to plus half. The energy level 1 is now complete. We are at the end of the period 1 on the periodic table. It is the third example by considering the lithium. It having a 3 electron. The value of N is 1 1 2, value of L is 0 0 0, the value of Ml 0 0 0, the value of Ms plus half, minus half, minus half. This time we must change n to 2, otherwise we will duplicate the first or second set of numbers. Following the rules we get the set shown. Notice that when we change n, we again start at the lowest possible values for L, M and S. It is the another example by considering the barium having a 4 electron. The value of N is 1 1 2 2 and L is 0 0 0 0, Ml is 0 0 0 0 and Ms is minus half, plus half, minus half, plus half. This time we can use the same NL, Ml values as the third electron and still get a different set of values by changing Ms to plus half. Beryllium, we are considering it is having a 5 electrons. The value of N is 1 1 2 2 2, L is 0 0 0 0 1, Ml is 0 0 0 1 minus 1 and Ms is minus half, plus half, minus half, plus half, minus half. This time we must change L to 1, otherwise we will duplicate the first or second set of numbers. The following rules we get the set shown. Notice that when we change L, we again start at the lowest possible values for Ml and Ms. Next, assigning the quantum numbers. By taking the example of carbon, it is having a 6 electrons. The value of N is 1 1 2 2 2 2. The value of L is 0 0 0 0 1 1. The value of Ml is 0 0 0 0 minus 1 0. The Ms is minus half, plus half, minus half, plus half, minus half, minus half. This time we can use the same N and L values as the fourth electron and still get a different set of values by changing Ml to 0. Now we are considering the spectroscopic terms. It is the important by electronic spectra. Electronic spectra of atoms. Here electronic configuration is an incomplete description of the arrangements of electrons in atoms. For example, carbon. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. The two electrons might occupy orbitals with different orientations of their orbital angular momenta. Similarly, the designation of 2p2 tells us nothing about spin orientations. The two electrons, the spin quantum is plus half or minus half. 2p2, the value of n is 2, 2, 2, L is equal to 1, 1, 1, ms is minus 1, 0, plus 1, and ms is minus half, minus half, minus half. The atom may in fact have general different states of total orbital and spin angular momenta, each one corresponding to the occupation of orbitals with different values of ml by electrons with different values of ms. The different ways in which the electron can occupy the orbitals specified in the configuration called the microstates of the configuration. If we go together the microstates that have the same energy when electron repulsions are taken into account, we obtain spectroscopically distinguishable energy levels called term symbols. The number of microstates is calculated by using the formula of n factorial divided by n minus r factorial divided by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. The value of L is 0, it is designated as S. The value of L is 1, it is designated as P. The value of L is 2, it is represented D. The value of L is 3, it is designated as F. The value of L is 4, it is indicated G. The value of S is equal to 0. We are putting the value of 0 in 2s plus 1, it becomes 1. The value of S we are putting in 2s plus 1. By putting the value of S is half, we get 2. And the value of 1 we are putting in the equation, we get 3. The value of S we are putting 2s plus 1, 3 by 2 we have to get 4. And value of 2 the value of S is 2, 2s plus 1 is 5. And these are the distribution of electrons and respective term symbols. Here term symbols we are studying LS coupling. If we group together the microstates that have the same energy when electron repulsions are taken into account, we obtain spectroscopically distinguishable energy levels called term symbols. Spin angular momentum is represented as, orbital angular momentum is represented L. S and L of the individual electrons do not hold good for the entire multi-electron system. S and L interact or couple together to give resultant angular momentum for the entire multi-electron system. The resultant angular momentum and energy of the system is represented as term symbol. Here the general term symbol that uniquely describes the specific electronic configuration look like this. Here it is the formula of 2s plus 1 Lj, where 2s plus 1 is the spin multiplicity, S is the resultant spin angular momentum resultant of all the S values, L is the resultant orbital angular momentum resultant of all the L values, J is the total resultant angular momentum, L plus S to L minus S. J can take quantized positive values. Here J, the total resultant angular momentum, can be obtained in two ways. One is L minus LS Russell-Sanders coupling, or second one is JJ coupling scheme. LS or Russell-Sanders coupling scheme is applicable to system in which spin orbital interactions are negligible, light atoms and 3d and 4f series. For heavy atoms 4d, πd and πf series, the spin orbital coupling will come into picture. In these atoms, spin and angular orbital momenta of each electrons are strongly coupled together into a resultant by the magnetic interactions. The resultant of all the L values is denoted by capital L. L are given by L is equal to 0 is represented as, L is equal to 1 is represented P, L is equal to 2 it is D, L is equal to 3 it is F, L is equal to 4 it is G. Then omit the alphabetical omitting J. The note is the capital letters are used for term symbols. There is no small letters are used in this case. Here resultant of all the S values is denoted by S. Spin multiplicity is equal to 2S plus 1. If we are getting the value S is equal to 0, it is read as singlet. S is equal to half, it is read as doublet. S is equal to 1, it is triplet. S is equal to 3 by 2, it is quartet. S is equal to 2, it is quintet. S is equal to 0, the 2S plus 1 is 1. S is equal to 1 by 2, 2S plus 1 is 2. S is equal to 1, 2S plus is 3. S is equal to 3 by 2, 2S plus 1 is 4. S is equal to 2, 2S plus 1 is 5. Here, by calculating the ground terms, we are using the rules, Hund's rules, to determine the term symbol. The rules, first rule states that the state with the largest value of S is the most stable and the ability decrease with decreasing S. For the states with the same value of S, the state with largest value of L is the most stable. The rule 3, if the states have the same value of L and S, then for the subcell that is less than half filled, the state with the smallest value of J is the most stable. For the subcell that is more than half filled, the state with the largest value of J is most stable. Less than half filled, J minimum value, more than half filled, J maximum value. Here are some examples of calculating the ground term and ground state. The ground state for D1 to D9 system by using the LS coupling scheme. First one, here D1, the D having 1 electron, it is only L value is 2, S value is half, the ground term is 2D, the ground state is 2D 3 by 2. If the D having a 2 electrons, the L is 3, S is 1, the ground term is 3F, the ground state is 3F2. The D having a 3 electrons, L is 3, S is 3 by 2, the ground term is 4F and ground state is 4F 3 by 2. The D having a 4 electron, the L is 2, S is 2, ground term is 5D and ground state is 5D 0. D is 5 electrons, the L is 0, S is 5 by 2, ground term is 6S, ground state is 6S 5 by 2. If D is 6 electrons, the L is 2, S is 2, the ground term is 5D, ground state is 5D4. The D is having a 7 electron, the L is 3, S is 3 by 2 and ground term is 4F, ground state is 4F 9 by 2. The D having a 8 electron, the L is 3, S is 1, ground term is 3F, ground state is 3F4. The D having a 9 electron, L is 2, S is 1 by 2, ground term is 2D, ground state is 2D pi by 2. If D is 10 electrons, L is equal to 0, S is 0, ground term is 1S, ground state is 1S0. The number of microstates is calculated by using the formula n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Thank you.